Yeah, hi everyone. So I've just been unboxing this set of men's or child's or whatever clippers that are rechargeable by this company Roffie. Really nice in a white design, and as you can see, it's got the red trim around it, and it's also got like a red trim around the on-off button. So it comes with attachments. Now with these, they're a little bit different. They're dual attachments, and it goes from a 3mm up to a 12mm. So what's nice with this is when you want to put the attachment on, right, it just clips in. You've got like a little side button. Just get it in right. Let me get this in correctly. That's it. Right, so once it's clipped in, that's it. And in the box also, they supplied some oil, and obviously your charge lead, which was in here somewhere, and a brush, a little cleaning brush, nice long charge lead, and a little clean brush to clean all the hairs away. You have got an instruction manual, so switch on and off is very simple, but watch this. Look, it all lights up. I just love it. It looks so nice, and also they're not too noisy, but you can see the vibration power. They've got nice quality ceramic blades with a long life lithium battery, which will actually give you 240 minutes of runtime after a 2-hour charge. So ideal companion actually for holiday. I think I'll definitely be using these to go on holiday with, because they're nice and compact. You can take just all that in your case, nice and tidy, and obviously stick your oil in if you wish so, just to give them a little grease up. But it's just very nice. And I do like the fact how easy it is to change these blades over. I mean, it's just nice and simple. It's not complicated as such. I'm doing this one, well, I'm doing it two-handed, but I'm also trying to film and do this at the same time. Right, now, just make sure you get it into these little holes. That's it. Hold on, bear with me there. That's it. I'm in the holes, am I? Just got to get your hole lines up correctly, which is not hard, but everything I would always do is always a bit more that's it. Right, so are we in? That's it, we're in. So that's it. So very nice quality, and as you can see, the light does go out. So obviously, light comes on, and when you switch it off, it will stay on for a little bit, and then it will switch itself off. And obviously, these do need recharging, so that's not complicated. The recharge centers there. With me, what I do when I recharge something like this, I'll stick it in my laptop. I've got a laptop on, so might as well just plug straight into the USB on my laptop, and I'm ready to go. But they're lovely, really nice. You know, yeah, that's okay. Nice sort of vibration coming through. But the blades do look nice, and obviously, you know, they're nice and sharp to cut your hair. I think with everything that's happened, everyone's cutting their own hair. Just take your time. That's the secret, is if you never cut your own hair, just watch your video on YouTube to get a drift of how you got to do it, and then just build yourself up. I would normally start with a higher ratio, like a 12mm, bring myself down to 6mm, and finish off on the 3mm. And like I say, I do like this design that it just clip on nice and easy like that. That's it. So once it's in properly, you're okay. So very nice. Thanks for watching my video, and I definitely recommend these. I will put the Amazon link up for these, but company's called Roffie. Comes nicely boxed up, which I like, because especially if you're giving it as a present, great. So very nicely packaged, and definitely recommend these. Thanks for watching.